What's in the box? Let me tell you firstly, I was contacted by the Australian website online review company, productreview.com.au, and said, would you like to trial a household appliance? Yeah, of course, sure, I'll do that. The excitement came when I found out it was going to be this Dyson V11 inside this box. I'm very excited. I've just opened a brown box to find this. Who wouldn't want this Dyson V11? I love Dyson. I have an old one and it's great, but this is what I have been dreaming of. What's in the box? It's red. So this is what it looks like inside the box. There's lots of goodies here to unwrap and be excited about. And this is, oh my God, it looks amazing. And it's big. The canister is way bigger than the Dyson that I have. It's probably double the size. So large capacity is great because I always filled my old one up really, really quickly and had to empty it and then the battery would run out. So this is looks like a nice soft brush. It's really soft, this one. Probably use it on your computer keyboards. Particles out of hard to get to places. It looks very gentle. It's got a little soft red velvet center there, so it shouldn't scratch anything, you would think. This is the plug-in for the power pack to charge it. I keep mine in a laundry cabinet, which is really good, out of sight and always ready to use. And another head. Now with the old Dysons, I think you only got one, you had to buy extras. But this one seems to be equipped with a small, I would say a turbo head. It's got that spinning roller in the middle with the bristles, which is really good for small places and be great for your car, cleaning your car out and getting in those hard to reach places. Just coming back to this bigger head. Let's just open that up while I've got it. Wow, look at the colours of this thing. Wow, who come up with these colours? I love it. Might be a set of steak knives in here, I don't know yet. Let's see. Is this another head? Looks like another head. Can't be. But I'm just so keen to get it open. Oh my God, look at the size. Look at the size of this. I have a corded Dyson, but I don't think I'll ever use it again. Why would I? Look at the size of this. This is way bigger than my corded Dyson. It's probably about 10 years old. This is just superseded everything I've ever had, and I just can't wait to get in and use it. Look at the size of the roller on that. That's just going to pick up all sorts of things, and hopefully dog fluff. I have a dog that's very hairy, love him to bits, but wow, I really need high powered, suction, and I think this is very promising. So lots of options there, and I think this is going to tick a lot of boxes for household cleaning and getting the job done. With so many things, you can do your blinds, you can do those delicate keyboards where you've been eating your peanuts and your chips and they've all fallen in between the keys and you want to get them out. So, we've got the nice little soft brushes here. So there's lots of scope to cover every cleaning need that needs some sort of suction.
That I use a lot on my Dyson because my dogs like to hide things in between the couch.
It makes it a great little handheld vacuum cleaner. You don't even have to use the stick, because having my old Dyson, I know that this thing, I don't know if the attachments there ready to go, but usually sort of somehow, oh, look at that. How easy. What I love about Dyson, whoever designed it is a genius. They must have been a woman, but actually no, it's a man. But he's thinking like a woman because they're so easy to put together. Like I just picked that up and pushed that little bladed sucker in there and it went straight in. Look at that. Very futuristic, hey? It's actually, it's got some charge in it. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I'm truly in love. So we've unboxed the Dyson V11. I waited 2 days for this moment. Thank you, Bill, for finally coming over and letting me break into this amazing piece of equipment, which I cannot wait to use. It looks amazing. So many attachments. Obviously these bits here are the wall pieces that you would attach to the wall so you can hang your Dyson, but I am so impressed with all these heads and the different brushes. I just think it's going to cover so many household needs. I think it's the perfect vacuum cleaner. That's my thoughts. I have yet to use it, but so far from what I've seen and knowing the history of Dyson and having had two myself, I'm expecting great things from this machine. So we'll be back with a demonstration on how it actually performs. But for now, I'm in love with my new stick.